Today is the day where we actually patina the infamous Nick Elphick's goat and soldier. Nick's come down to inspect the bronze, but now we're just working together to get the patina all set up. And yeah, Nick, what do you think?
Mate, honestly, you've done an incredible job. I mean, normally I'm a perfectionist and I'm always dead nervous when I come down to see a bronze that's been cast, because I know there's always going to be faults, because that's what I'm, you know, like. And obviously, Rich, I'm really critical. Rich is a friend, so I was really nervous because I didn't want to have to be critical. And do you know what? Honestly, I haven't had to be critical whatsoever. Mate, I mean, there's nothing.
Yeah,
Came down to check the waxes were perfect. Come down to check the bronzes, and they're perfect. And it's just like...
You can't ask for a much better review than that,
feels like it's a miracle.
Eh? That's a brilliant review.
They're exactly like the clays were, so...
Amazing. So what we've got going on here is a traditional bronze. So we've gone over with the liver of sulphur, which takes the darks, takes it down, puts darks in the recesses. Then we've gone over it with a ferric nitrate to bring out the warmth of the bronze. And then we're going over it with a sort of subtle green. And then we're going to go over with a dark wash and then sort of bring in that lovely patina, similar to what Rodan used to do.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing.
Yeah. We'll put it there, my man. So yeah, on Wednesday we're taking it up to Wrexham. Thursday we're installing it, and then on Saturday it's the big unveiling. Everyone's going to be there. It's going to be a big old knees up. Nick's going to do a speech.
That's what it'll be. Just bugs.
At the podium. I did a thing.
Not so good with the words.
No, it's going to be amazing. But yeah, we're going to crack on with the patina now and final wax, and it's going to look amazing. That's Foundry life, baby. Oh, right in the toe.
Great green's great. Look, check.
Yeehaw!
See, I just want that, just a dark, all over
Yeah,
dark.
man, that
bit
looks
of green,
so good.
Bit of green, a tiny little bit of bronze here and there, which just tells the eye it's bronze.
Yeah.
Just want it just simple.
So what we're going to do now, we're just going to hit some of it with the green, give it that little bit of aged effect, and yeah, we're almost at the finish line.
Loving it. I love this contemporary grey in areas.
So this project has been in motion for how long?
Over a year, well over a year.
Over a year?
Yeah.
So they came up with the concept. What's it in aid of, Nick?
This is basically remembering all the fallen and also the heroes today of the Welsh Fusiliers.
That's hot.
I know, that's hot. Thanks for telling me after. Yeah, so it's just basically, and I just wanted to do someone looking proud, a hero.
Yeah.
You know, someone who's powerful. It's just a really strong part of humanity connected with, you know, goats. And you know, these goats just represent strength and power of nature, don't they?
Yeah, 100%.
So that's what
I mean, you've definitely done it proud. I think your modelling's very unique. Yeah. I think your way that you sculpt is very original, and then obviously like what we're doing with applying the patina, like you're saying, it's really accentuating all your modelling.
Yeah, that's it. And I don't want like too much of a highlight. I want it just to be a simple dart. Yeah. To just really bring out every fingerprint, every exaggeration. Yeah. Because the face was originally very, very graphic. Yes. And in the end, you know, like a public sculpture needs to be exaggerated from a distance. Yeah, of course. You know, because it looks more graphic now when you stand back. Yeah. So it brings it all together. So you exaggerate those tones. It's impressionism. I mean, it's got a lovely monochrome finish to it, and a little bit of bronze coming through. If we can get some green on there, it just brings all of that. Yeah, it's going to be great. Yeah, well, let's get some green on it. Yeah, mate, buzzing. Hit it up with a little bit of heat. Add a little bit of green. What we couldn't get with the spray bottle, I'm just going around all the sort of nooks and crannies to
put in this dioxide. I'm just getting in the eyes, in the chin strap here, and in between the lips. And that's just tying it all together, making it look super fly. There we go. Right, gang. So we've done the black, we've gone over it with a little bit of green, and I think we're just gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna hit it with a bit of wax, and that's when it's really gonna sing. So we'll put it in position, then we'll heat it up, wax it up, polish it up, pack it up, send it up to Wrexham. So there we have it, gang. It has been patinated and waxed. Nick, it's a pleasure.
Oh, mate, it's absolutely fantastic.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the opportunity, man.
Yeah, no, it's brilliant.
Super pleased with how it's turned out. Gonna let that cool down now, get out the stitched mop, and then just polish the whole thing to give it that lovely luster.
Absolutely brilliant, man. I love the patination. You've done a fantastic job.
Wicked, man.
Just absolutely picks everything up. The perfect tone, perfect darkness, beautifully rich. Mate, absolutely.
Can't believe my eyes.
Can't believe I've seen it finished.
Yeah, I know.
It's mad.
It's been so long
Never
in the
thought
making.
it would finish.
But it's all done now. Super pleased. Next time we'll be seeing it, it'll be installed.
I know.